Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Kellogg RedBar Rotary dial telephone, and this is Harris's telephone from North Carolina. And there's a note with this telephone, and this telephone has been in his family for a long time. And so now what we want to do, it has a few issues. This is the initial checkout, and we're going to be going through the telephone. And so this is the line cord, and this is the setup that's on the line cord. But we're going to change that. We're going to go ahead and install a new modular line cord that can be plugged into any jack. And we just want to get away from this four-prong plug. With all the adapters and everything, it's going to cause a lot of bad connections in the future. So to get rid of that will be a good thing. And so now the other issue is the handset cord. It's broken several places. It's dry rotted, and anytime you bend the cord, it cracks. So we want to get rid of this handset cord, and we're going to be putting on another straight cord. And so we want to go through everything. I want to show you the handset real quick. And then we have the cover loose on this telephone. But we want to try the dial. It's very sluggish, and that needs to be gone through. And it's not dialing very well. So another issue is someone has painted over the red bar, the hook switch, and it's not returning. So we want to get that paint off that red bar hook switch, and we want to go through and find out why it's not returning. And so at this point, that hook switch needs to be worked on also. We also want to get a dial center ring and card here at the dial. And I have the cover loose, so I want to give you a look at this telephone. And if you've never seen the inside of one of these telephones, the upper portion unplugs with a plug, and then you have your dial here. And you can see that the inside part of the hook switch is actually red. So we just need to clean that up and find out why that's not returning and what the issue is there. So that gives you a look at the cover and the rotary. Now what we want to do is give you a look at the inside here on the base unit, and that will have to also be gone through. We also need to check the bell. So we're going to have to go through a little bit of everything on this telephone and get it squared away for Harris. And we're going to get a start on this. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's been going on with the telephone. We went ahead and went through the rotary, made sure that was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. And we also inserted a dial center card that's to the period of the telephone. We removed the paint. Someone had painted the red bar hook switch. That paint has been removed. We also installed a line cord so that this telephone can be plugged into any modern day jack. We went through the network, made sure the connections were proper there, and repaired some connections. We also had to do a bell conversion on the inside of this telephone so that when you get a call, a ring cycle, this telephone will ring. And we have installed a replacement handset cord, and we're at the point now that we want to start wiring up our handset and getting our transmitter back into the telephone. So we're going to go ahead and finish that off, and we're going to come back and do our final checks. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this telephone. So what we want to do is start our final checks. I'm going to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now I want to walk through our numbers. So if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. The rotary turns a lot smoother, like it's supposed to. I'm going to end in a 2, and now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch this red light on the analyzer, every time I transmit, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit when you see that red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has receive and transmit. What we can do is I can push this switch on the switch box, and that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we can call a time and temp number. Now they're having problems with their equipment. You'll hear the recording start, and then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will continue. So let's go ahead and make that call. I'll give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, November 10th. The time is 2:36. Current temperature 65 degrees. Partly cloudy tonight, lows in the mid-30s to low 40s. Mostly cloudy Monday, 30% chance of light rain in the afternoon, highs around 60.
Okay, we can make one other call. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Harris, and he can start enjoying this telephone. It's been in his family for a long time, and now they can start using it again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.